Yes, severe corrosion of bus bars and grounds of a switchgear or transformer can be caused by a faulty ground system. Electrolytic corrosion is one possible cause. When different metals are in contact with each other and exposed to an electrolyte, for example, moisture, an electrochemical reaction can occur, leading to corrosion. In a faulty grounding system, there may be improper bonding between different metallic components, creating an electrolytic environment. Another cause is stray currents. Stray currents are unintentional electrical currents that take an unintended path through the ground. These currents can cause corrosion at points where they enter or leave the grounding system. A faulty ground system can allow stray currents to flow through metal components, leading to corrosion. Ground voltage rise can also be a cause. If the ground system has too much resistance, high fault currents can cause the ground voltage to rise. This can result in arcing between bus bars and grounds, leading to severe corrosion. Symptoms of corrosion include pitting and flaking of metal surfaces, discoloration of bus bars and grounds, loss of conductivity, reduced mechanical strength, and increased operating temperature. Consequences of corrosion include electrical hazards, equipment failure, and fire risk. Severe corrosion can compromise the electrical integrity of the switchgear or transformer, increasing the risk of electrical faults and arcing. Corrosion can weaken bus bars and grounds, leading to equipment failures and outages. Arcing caused by corrosion can ignite nearby materials, posing a fire hazard. To diagnose a faulty ground system, a thorough inspection of the grounding system is necessary. This may involve measuring ground resistance, checking bonding connections, and identifying any potential sources of stray currents. Mitigation measures to address corrosion caused by a faulty ground system include improving the grounding system and providing corrosion protection. Improving the grounding system includes ensuring proper bonding between metallic components, reducing ground resistance, and eliminating potential sources of stray currents. Corrosion protection includes applying protective coatings or sealants to bus bars and grounds to prevent moisture ingress. Regular maintenance involves inspecting and cleaning bus bars and grounds regularly to identify and address signs of corrosion. By correcting any faults in the ground system and implementing appropriate mitigation measures, the risk of severe corrosion and the associated hazards can be significantly reduced.